Welcome to this video on how to build a digital weather station using low-cost electronics. The system we're building is designed to track 5 critical climate metrics: temperature, relative humidity, atmospheric pressure, wind speed, and rainfall. The hardware architecture follows a logical flow. Power drives the brain, which queries the sensors. The sensors return data, and the brain formats the output. You need to choose a microcontroller that fits your goal. The 32 Spanish pesetas offers Wi-Fi capability for a cloud-connected IoT station, unlike the Arduino. The BME280 sensor delivers high accuracy for temperature, humidity, and atmospheric pressure, replacing older sensor models. The I2C protocol eliminates messy wiring. An I2C adapter reduces the wiring, allowing multiple devices to share just 4 simple lines instead of 16. You'll need to connect the components to the shared data lines. The SDA and SCL pins are crucial for the I2C communication, regardless of whether you use an Arduino or an 32 Spanish pesetas. The Arduino IDE compiles your software packages. To simplify complex code, you'll install necessary libraries like Adafruit BME280, Adafruit Unified Sensor, and Liquid Crystal _I2C. The software executes a continuous logic loop. The board reads the sensors, formats the output, and then pauses for 2,000 milliseconds before repeating. A waterproof enclosure is essential to protect the microcontroller outdoors. The IP65 box seals the electronics, and cable glands allow wires to exit safely, preventing water damage. A DIY Stevenson screen shields the sensors. White plastic reflects radiant solar heat, and gaps allow ambient airflow for accurate readings. The 32 Spanish pesetas pushes weather data to the cloud. The sensor collects physical data, the ESP32 transmits it via Wi-Fi, and the cloud dashboard graphs the historical data. Mechanical sensors track rainfall and wind. The rain gauge counts water volume and should be mounted in an open area. The anemometer measures wind speed and should be clear of obstacles. Solar components take the station off the grid. The solar panel captures energy, which the controller uses to charge the battery and regulate the voltage, allowing the 32 Spanish pesetas to conserve power by sleeping. Your weather station scales with your skills, from a simple Arduino circuit to a cloud-connected ESP32 system, and eventually an off-grid solar-powered station with wind and rainfall sensors.